Imagine embarking on a journey across an uncharted desert. The sun beats down mercilessly and sand stretches endlessly in every direction. Without a guide, you're lost and vulnerable. The Quran is our compass, providing direction. The Hadith is the map, illuminating the path. Like stars guiding travelers, the Hadith ensures we don't stray. The Hadith nourishes our souls with wisdom and guidance. The word Hadith means report, account, or narrative. In Islam, it refers to the traditions and sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. These include his actions, approvals, and silent permissions. Each Hadith has two parts, the Isnad, chain of narrators, and the Matn, the text. The Isnad is crucial for authenticity, tracing the narration back to the Prophet. Scholars scrutinize the Isnad to ensure the Hadith's integrity. This process ensures the words and actions attributed to the Prophet are accurate. The Matn contains the actual words or actions of the Prophet. Together, the Isnad and Matn form the basis of Islamic jurisprudence. The preservation of Hadith is a testament to the dedication and meticulousness of early Muslim scholars. Following the Prophet's death, his companions recognized the importance of preserving his teachings for future generations. They began memorizing and transmitting his words and actions, ensuring the Sunnah, the Prophet's way of life, remained intact. As Islam spread, the need for a more systematic approach to Hadith preservation became apparent. Scholars began compiling collections of Hadith, meticulously documenting the Isnad and Matn of each narration. They developed rigorous methodologies for evaluating the authenticity of Hadith, ensuring only the most reliable narrations were included in their collections. Among the most renowned Hadith collections are Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Sunan al-Tirmidhi, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan al-Nasa'i, and Sunan Ibn Majah. These collections are considered authoritative sources of Hadith and are widely studied by Muslims around the world. They represent a monumental achievement in scholarship and serve as a testament to the importance of preserving the Prophet's legacy. The Hadith shapes the daily lives of Muslims. It guides worship, business, and interactions. From waking up to sleeping, Hadith offers life guidance. The 5 pillars are rooted in the Hadith. It details prayers, charity, fasting, Hajj, and Shahada. The Hadith emphasizes ethical conduct. It encourages honesty, compassion, and justice. Section 5. Echoes of Wisdom. Examples of Key Hadith. The Hadith is replete with profound wisdom and timeless lessons. One well-known Hadith states, "Actions are according to intentions." This Hadith emphasizes the importance of sincerity in all our actions. It reminds us that our intentions, not just our outward actions, determine the true value of our deeds. Another powerful Hadith states, "None of you truly believes until he wishes for his brother what he wishes for himself." This Hadith highlights the importance of empathy and compassion in Islam. It encourages Muslims to treat others with kindness and concern, just as they would treat themselves. The Hadith also provides guidance on dealing with adversity and challenges. One Hadith states, "The strongest of people is the one who controls his anger." Section 6. The Tapestry of Creation, Hadith, and the Natural World. The Hadith encourages a deep appreciation for the natural world and recognizes the interconnectedness of all creation. It teaches that the universe is a testament to God's power and wisdom, and that every creature from the smallest insect to the largest whale has a purpose and a role to play. One Hadith states, "There is not a single Muslim who plants a tree or sows a seed, and then a bird or a person or an animal eats from it, but it is regarded as a charitable gift for him." This Hadith highlights the importance of environmental stewardship and encourages Muslims to care for the earth and its resources. The Hadith also emphasizes the importance of gratitude for the blessings of nature. One Hadith states, "Whoever eats some fruit should say, 'O Allah, you have blessed us with this, so give us better than this in return.'" Section 7. Navigating the Path, Hadith as a Moral Compass. The Hadith serves as a moral compass, guiding Muslims towards ethical decision-making and righteous conduct. It provides a framework for navigating the complexities of life, offering principles that promote justice, compassion, and integrity. One Hadith states, "The believer is not the one who eats his fill while his neighbor is hungry." This Hadith emphasizes the importance of social responsibility and encourages Muslims to care for those in need. It reminds us that true faith is not just about personal piety, but also about extending compassion and support to others. The Hadith also emphasizes the importance of honesty and trustworthiness in all interactions. One Hadith states, "The Muslim is the one from whose tongue and hand the Muslims are safe." This Hadith highlights the importance of maintaining integrity in our words and actions. It reminds us that our interactions with others should be based on trust and respect. Section 8. The Living Tradition, Hadith in Contemporary Society. The Hadith continues to be a relevant and vital source of guidance for Muslims in the 21st century. It addresses contemporary issues such as social justice, economic inequality, and environmental sustainability. Its timeless wisdom provides insights and solutions to the challenges facing humanity today. One Hadith states, "The world is green and beautiful, and Allah has made you His stewards over it." This Hadith highlights the importance of environmental stewardship and encourages Muslims to protect the planet from pollution and degradation. It reminds us that we are responsible for safeguarding the earth for future generations. The Hadith provides a framework for addressing social issues and building a just and equitable society. The Hadith also emphasizes the importance of seeking knowledge and education. One Hadith states, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim." Section 9. A Bridge to Understanding Hadith and Interfaith Dialogue. The Hadith can play a significant role in fostering interfaith understanding and promoting peaceful coexistence. It highlights the common values shared by different faith traditions, such as compassion, justice, and respect for human dignity. One Hadith states, "Do not abuse anyone or return abuse with abuse, but speak good words." This Hadith encourages Muslims to engage in respectful dialogue with people of other faiths, even in the face of disagreement. It reminds us that building bridges of understanding is essential for creating a harmonious world. The Hadith also emphasizes the importance of treating others with kindness and respect regardless of their religious beliefs. One Hadith states, "Whoever believes in Allah and the last day should speak good or remain silent." This Hadith encourages Muslims to engage in constructive dialogue and to avoid hurtful or offensive language. Section 10. Seeking Knowledge Resources for Hadith Study. For those interested in delving deeper into the study of Hadith, there are numerous resources available. These include translated collections of Hadith, scholarly commentaries, and online platforms that provide access to Hadith databases and research tools. Reputable online resources such as Sunna.com and HadithCollection.com offer comprehensive collections of Hadith in various languages. These platforms allow users to search for Hadith by keyword, topic, or narrator, making it easier to access and study the vast body of Hadith literature. Printed collections of Hadith such as the Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim are also widely available. These collections are considered authoritative sources of Hadith and are often accompanied by scholarly commentaries that provide deeper insights into the meaning and context of each narration. Section 11. The Enduring Legacy, a Conclusion. The Hadith stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It provides a window into his life, his teachings, and his profound impact on humanity. Through the study and application of Hadith, Muslims strive to emulate his noble character and live lives that are pleasing to God. The Hadith is not simply a historical record, it is a living tradition that continues to guide and inspire Muslims around the world. It offers timeless wisdom that is relevant to all aspects of life, from personal conduct to social interactions and global affairs. The Hadith acts as a beacon, illuminating the path of righteousness, guiding humanity towards a world of peace, justice, and compassion. By embracing its teachings, we can strive to live lives that are meaningful, purposeful, and in harmony with the divine will.